Dear teachers, you already know how to create your Gmail or Google account. So today I will show you how to create a question paper with the help of Google Form. So now in order to create a question paper with the help of Google Form, you need to sign in to your Google account. So again, you just give a double click on Google Chrome, and after that you can just go to the top right corner of the screen where you will find small dots like a box, and it will be written here Google Apps. So just click on this particular option and you will see several apps here. So in order to use any of these apps, you need to first sign in to your Google, and in case if you have already signed in, you can directly go to the Google Drive option and then you can start your work, or else you can just click on this drive option, and after that you need to sign in. So here you need to write down your email ID, click on next, and then write down your password and press the enter key. So now this is the drive page. So now in order to create a question paper with the help of Google Form, you need to click on this new option. Just give a single left click and then go to more, and from there you select Google Form. I'll show you once again. Just click on this new option, just give a single left click and then click on this more option, and from there click on Google Form. So now this is the Google Form page. Now the first one you can see here, untitled form. So that means you need to give some title to your form. So say for example you're creating a question paper for class 7 subject science, so just write down the title as class 7 science. And then now if you want to provide some rules and regulation for your question paper, then you can click on this add title and description. On this tag you can see here TT, you need to click on this option to add some title and description to your question paper. Say rules and regulations. Say for example point number 1, all questions are compulsory. So in this way you can mention some of your rules and regulations, and then now move to the next question. Now the next question is very important because the next 3 questions will be name, roll number and section. So the first one is name. So from this drop down list you'll be selecting the option as short answer only. Don't try to select any one of this multiple choice, checkbox or drop down. Just select the option short answer and make this question mandatory, which means that students will not be able to submit their answer until and unless they provide their name, roll number and section. So it's very important that whenever you write down name, roll number and section, please keep in mind that you need to click on the required option. So now the next question will be roll number. So now you can provide your roll number, and for this you will be selecting the option as drop down. So now you know that in each and every class we have around 60 to 65 students, so according to that you can write down your roll numbers. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I will write till 10 only. And the next one will be, so now in order to write down the next question, again you need to click on this plus. You can see here plus. This means that you need to add questions, so you click on this plus symbol, and then the next question will appear here, which you need to write down. And the next one will be section, and for section you will be selecting multiple choice. However, it will be already selected. If not, then please select multiple choice. And then you know that in each and every class we have 4 sections, so just write down A, B, C, and then D. And here also make this question compulsory. So in this way, please keep in mind that name, roll number, and section, these 3 questions should be compulsory for each and every student, so that it will be easy for you to extract the file. So now, before writing down the questions, you need to provide some of the question text, like take the correct answer or multiple choice questions. So again, to write those titles, you need to click on this same option, that is add title and description. So just click here, say you're writing take the correct answer, and say you're giving 2 into 25 is equal to 50, which means that each question carries 2 marks each. So now you can start writing your question. Say, in order to do that, you'll be clicking again on this plus symbol and start writing your question here. Say number 1, the question is, what is the chemical formula of water? You can provide the options like H2O, F2O, P2O, B2O. So in this way, you will be providing the option for each and every answer. Now, after writing down the questions, you need to set the answers also. So now there are 2 ways to set the answer. One is you can do one by one, and the other one is you can do all together at last. Like, after writing down each and every question, you can set the answer, or you can write down all the questions together and at last you can set the answers one by one. So now here, in order to set the answers for each and every question, you need to click on this setting option, which will be in gear symbol. You need to click on this setting option, just give a single click, and then select or click on the option quizzes. So once you click on this option, you need to enable this option, that is make this a quiz. Just enable this option, and after that you need to again enable some of the options here. That is, the first one is release grade. There are 2 options: immediately after each submission, and the next one is later after manual review. So please select the second one, because if you select the first one, the students, they will get the marks after writing their paper instantly. So if you want to provide the marks later, you need to click on the second option. Now the next one is respondent can see. So from here you can disable only one option, that is correct answer, so that the student, they cannot see their answer after writing down their paper. And you can enable these 2 options, that is missed questions and point values. So after doing that, click on presentation. Now presentation, you just disable this option, that is show the link to submit another response. Just disable this option. And confirmation message. Now in case if you want to write down your message like thank you, because this message will be displayed to the students when they will click on submit. Right after clicking on submit, one message will be displayed to them. If you have not written any message, then the default message will be displayed to them, or else if you want some message which should be displayed to student, then you can write over here, like say for example, thank you. So the next one is general. So in this tab, just disable the option collect email address. Just deselect this one and then click on save option. So now you can see here the answer key. So you need to click on this option to set the answer for this question. So here you need to set the marks. Say for this question the mark is 2, so just write down the mark and then select the answer for this question. So the answer for this question is H2O. Select H2O and just click on done. So you can move to the next question again by clicking on the add question and say number 2 is what is the SI unit of force. Say kilogram, milligram, say Newton, say none of this. Now again, if you want to set the answer for this question, again you click on this option, that is answer key, set the marks, that is 2, and then select the right answer, which is Newton, and then click on done. So in this way you can set the answers for each and every questions. And if you want to do it together also, so you can write down all the questions, and after that you can set the answer one by one. So once you are done with your questions, you can modify your page. You can upload some cover photo for your page. So in order to do that, you need to click on this customize theme option, which will be in the shape of paint. So just click here and then you need to select on this option, that is click on choose image, and after that click on upload, click on browse, and from there you can select the image, say this one, and just click on open. So here you can adjust your picture, and once you are done, so just click on done. So you can see here the picture will be displayed in this way. So in this way you can modify your page. Now after that you need to create a link which can be sent to the students so that they can write their exam. So in order to get the link, you need to click on this send option. So from here you will be selecting this option, just click here and then you'll be getting the link here. And here the link is too long, so in order to make it shorter, you'll be clicking on shorten link or shorten URL, and then just click on copy. So once you have copied the link, you need to forward it to the students. So in order to do that, you need to open your WhatsApp web. So click on this plus sign to open a new tab, and on the address bar or on the search bar write down WhatsApp web and press the enter key. So now just click on the first one, that is WhatsApp web, and they will take you to this page, and from where you need to scan the QR code with the help of your phone. So now in order to do that, you need to open your WhatsApp on your phone, and then on the top right corner you will see 3 small dots. So just click there, and then you'll see some options like new group, new broadcast, WhatsApp web. So you need to click on the third one, that is WhatsApp web, and then you need to scan the QR code with the help of your phone. So now you can see here I can access my WhatsApp through this computer. So now in order to send the link, just select the class group, and after that just click on Ctrl+V, or you can just give a right click and then select the option paste also. So in this way you can paste the link over here, and you can see the preview also of that of your page, and then you can just click on this arrow key to send this link to the students. So now the next point is response. So as you can see here, response, you need to click on this response. Now you can see here accepting responses, which means that the students, they will be able to submit their answers since it is turned on, and if you turn off this one, they will not be able to submit their answers. So before the exam time, before the time of the exam, you can turn this one on, and once the time is up you can turn it off. So in this way you can manually control your response. So in this way you can create your question paper. Thank you.